Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Fit for Nails. In today's video I will be sharing with you my nail design number 9. This is how the application of pink acrylic looks. Now out of camera I'll be encapsulating all the nails with clear acrylic powder. This is how it looks after I encapsulate, file and buff all the nails. Now I'll be creating a design in the pointy, middle and ring fingers using some alcohol inks. These are the alcohol ink colors that I'm going to use for my design. This is the final result of this alcohol ink design after I apply and cure the glass finish gel. Now I'll be showing you the beauty shop video of this nails design. This is all for today. Thanks so much for taking the time to view my video. Please like the video if you like it, share the video with others, subscribe to my channel for further nails designs, and comment down below what's your thoughts using alcohol inks on nails, or if you have ever had the experience creating a nail design using alcohol inks. I will see you in my next video. Bye!